Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pivot table. Let's go to the computer, and we're going to do this with Excel. So click on your Start button, go to All Programs, Microsoft Office. Let's launch Excel. Now we're going to type in some data here. I'm going to keep track of my employees, their number of sales, and their location. So say David made 120 sales, and he's in the U.S. Billy made 75 sales, and he's in Canada. And Tom made 150 sales from Canada. So, what we're going to do is insert a pivot table, which gives you a whole lot of options for filtering and sorting data within Excel. So let's highlight all of our data here. I'm just dragging the mouse to highlight over it. And to create our pivot table, go to the Insert tab at the top. We're going to select Pivot Table. Now it's going to make sure that your data that you've selected is correct. Since I manually selected the range of data I'd like to include, I'm just going to click OK here. Now it's going to ask you which fields do you want to include in your pivot table. I want to include all of them, so I'm going to put little check marks next to employee, sales, and location. Now these options down here allow you to select what you want to be able to run reports on. So let's say that I want to run a report on the location of my employees. I'm just going to grab that and drag it down to the report area. Let me close out of these options. So as you can see here, it's showing my 3 employees and their total number of sales. The location is missing because that's our report filter. Here is location. Let's say I only want to see the sales for Canada. I'll just click this little drop down, select Canada, and I'll say OK. Now only my sales in Canada are showing. And the same would be for the U.S. Only my sales in the U.S. show. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create a pivot table.